Good morning, student. I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Subject Agriculture Science and Technology. In that, already we started chapter number second, commercial crop. In this chapter, already we cover the crop sugarcane, mango. Now the third horticultural crop, commercial crop, that means banana. It is the most important commercial crop. Banana. The botanical description of banana is in that botanical name, Musa cavendish. Different type of species of banana. Out of that, Musa cavendish is mostly preferred for cultivation. Then family of banana, Musaceae, origin Thailand or Indochina. Then economic values or economic importance of sugarcane. Banana. In that, banana is a second important fruit crop next to the mango. Nearly about 85% banana is used for fresh consumption, and 14% is used for processing. That means lots of byproducts or value added products are prepared from ripe banana or raw banana. Then different byproducts are prepared from banana, in that chips, banana powder, then soft drink, etc. It contains vitamin A and vitamin B. It is a rich source of like phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. So that's it have great value in human dietary. Then next part of banana is a variety. The lots of variety of banana uh, which are commercially cultivated in Maharashtra and out of Maharashtra. Out of that, some varieties which are grown in Maharashtra, in that Basrai, then Rasthali, Sonkel, Sapad Velchi, then G9, Lal Velchi, Puan, Champa. These are the some varieties of banana which prefer in Maharashtra. Then a spacing of banana, spacing is also depend upon the varieties. It's vary accordingly tallness and dwarfness. 1.25 into 3 meter is a common species spacing. Then the next part is a ecology of banana. In that ecology, that means soil and climate. Out of that, see, first one is a soil. It can grow in a various type of soil. That means varied range of soil. It prefer black cotton soil. Deep loamy soil is most suitable. Soil should be rich in organic matter, well drained, fertile, and it have moisture retention capacity, which is great for banana cultivation. Then pH range should be between 6 to 8. The water table of soil should be below 30 to 40 centimeter depth. It is all about soil of banana. Then see the climate. Uh, as you know, it is a important tropical crop. It require a tropical, that means it is totally warm, humid, and rainy climate. Temperature range should be between 10 to 40 degrees Celsius is a average temperature range requirement for banana crop. Heavy storm, then frost, low temperature, extremely high temperature are the limiting factor for the banana cultivations. Maharashtra have a most ideal climate for banana cultivation, so that the most banana production and area is higher in maximum in Maharashtra. Then the different planting methods and planting materials which are required for banana cultivations. There are two major planting methods of banana. In that, the first one is a pit method and second one is a furrow method. Okay. Time of sowing of banana is during the rainy season, especially in the month of June, July. The sucker should be 20 to 30 centimeter below the soil surface. It should be given irrigation immediately after planting. Okay, after planting you can give the first irrigation, it is a necessary. Then planting season, there are two major season of planting in that, milk bug and kande bug. These are the two major season of banana. Then the propagation, that means how to sowing of banana done by the different methods. There are two methods, vegetative and sexual methods, but here in case of banana only vegetative methods are preferred. In that, the vegetative parts of banana like rhizome, scotch sucker, then beet. Also, nowadays tissue culture technique is mostly preferred in banana cultivation. Then the irrigation requirement for banana. As you know, it is a water loving crop, so that the water requirement of banana is a maximum. It requires frequent irrigation. The immediately after planting, the orchard is flooded with water. Okay. After planting, instantly give the flooded irrigations. It is necessary. Under the dry condition, it has to be irrigated throughout the year. The frequency of irrigations are depend upon the season, the type of soil and location. Obviously, in summer, the irrigation interval should be 4 to 7 days, and in case of winter, it should be 10 to 15 days. Because in summer the water requirement is maximum, because evaporation rate of soil and transpiration rate of plant is also high in summer, so that the interval is also frequently. Okay, this is all about irrigation requirement of banana crop. Okay, if you have problem in this video or in this lecture of banana cultivation, then contact me. The remaining parts of banana cultivation we will discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you so much.